Welcome back to Kim's Creations. Today I'm actually going to do a narration of two blooms that you will see here. Both are 4-inch tiles, and this is just my continuation of experimenting with the whole bloom technique and how to go about doing it. So I'll kind of cut in and out as we move along. I am just layering the paints down. This is me putting the cell activator in and blowing out my first bloom. Probably could have used a little more cell activator on that. I add more in, should have had that already in on the initial drop, but you can add it in apparently. Still could have used a little more with that though. What I am seeing here right now is that I put those two bloom circles with all of the paints down too far apart from each other. They were too close to the edge of the tile. And unfortunately, when you spin it out, you end up losing a lot of it. And it would have been nicer to just have that actual bloom part where the lacing is, have those 2 points closer together. But it's all a learning experience for me, and I am just sharing what I have noticed in rewatching my video. So I'm just going to let you enjoy here my embellishments, again learning from that as well, so you can kind of see what you like and what you don't like from it. So I'm pretty much at the end of this tile, and as you can see, the lacing, the blooms have gone really almost off the side of the tile. I ended up scraping that one and starting again. So this will be number 2. So with the first one, I learned that I really needed to put those 2 dots closer together, which you will see me do in this one. They probably still could have been maybe a little bit closer yet, but you have a look. Let me know what you think. So I'm doing a better job of getting the color dots closer together, but I still did not put enough cell activator on. Look at that tiny little amount. and so it didn't spread enough. So you don't see the lacing on these blooms like you should. Now I do like this bloom a lot better. It actually looks like a flower. And, you know, I think while I'm embellishing all this, I'm thinking, what can I do with it? And then I lost, you know, is it a flower? Is it a leaf? So it kind of became a combination of both. What I also learned from this, just in looking back at it, is that I like the color combination that I used for each bloom, the one that's at the top and the one that's at the bottom right now, but I don't like them both on the same piece. And I think in this particular case, it would have been great if I had only had the one bloom, the one that I'm working on right now, and it would have been a beautiful piece. So these are things that you kind of live and learn, and as you practice doing this bloom technique, that you kind of see what you like, the different color combinations that you like and don't like, what works together, what doesn't. So this was definitely one where I really liked that bottom flower, not so much the top one as you're looking at the screen right now. So let me know if you agree with my self-assessment there.